Guidance and Counseling, Semester 2, English Medium, MCQ, Lecture 3. Question number 29. Guidance not enables the teacher to understand the strengths and weakness of his people. The statement is false. So correct option is A. The implications for guidance are typical, clear, not clear, not very typical. So the implications for guidance are clear. Question number 31. An anecdotal record is a report of significant episodes in the life of infants, a teacher, adults, or students. The correct answer is students. So option D is correct. An interview is a conversation or serious conversation or both or none of the above. The correct answer is an interview is a serious conversation. So option B is correct. A healthy teacher-pupil relationship is established when teachers write down interview report, second is anecdotal report, observation report, or none of these. So the correct option is anecdotal report. So option B is correct. An or interview helps in diagnosing a problem. The correct answer is true. It diagnoses a problem. Question 35, based on the statement or definition. The definition is counseling is a face-to-face relationship in which growth takes place in the counselor as well as counseling. This definition is given by Ruth Strong. So the option B is correct. Guidance service is meaningless without teaching, proper teachers, or counseling services. So the correct option is counseling services. Question 37. Counseling is not a process that has beginning and on end. The correct option is the statement is true. Counseling function is a heart of guidance service. Again, it is a true statement. So the option C is correct. Next question, question 39 is based upon the statement or definition. The definition is a counseling interview is a person-to-person relationship in which one individual with problems and needs turns to another person for assistance. The definition is given by Robinson, Ruth Strong, Good, or Erickson. So the correct answer is this definition is given by Erickson. So option D is correct here. Now question number 40. Counseling is a process between, first option is 3%, second option is 5%, third option is 2%, and fourth option is 4%. So the correct answer is 2%. Counseling is a process between counselor and counseling. So the answer you can write here is counselor and next is, this one is first point and second is counseling. So counseling is a process between two persons and these two persons are counselor and counseling. Question 41. The following definition is given by, the definition is counseling means consultation, mutual interchange of opinion, deliberating together inverted comma close. The correct answer is Webster's dictionary. This definition is given by Webster's dictionary, so the correct option is B. Counseling is not psychotherapy. The statement is true. Counseling will be not the focus of all counseling activity. The statement is false. Next definition, counseling, question number 44, based upon the definition or the statement of psychologist. Counseling process is a joint quest. The student's responsibility is to try to understand himself and the direction in which he should go and to gain self-confidence in handling problems as they arise. The counselor's responsibility is to assist in this process whenever the student needs and is ready for help. The correct answer is Ruth Strong. So this is definition is given by Ruth Strong. So the correct option is option D. Now question 45, the last question of this lecture 3. The basic aims of counseling is to help the person in solving his problem independently. This statement is true. So the correct option is option C. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.